In a world where hundreds of thousands of production lines work in a never-ending rhythm, efficiency is the name of the game. And this is where we enter the picture. This is Ingersoll. Ingersoll began its operations 100 years ago. It grew and developed as a cutting tool maker for the automotive industry. A thing or two about investments.
I can see what has been accomplished. I can see the people that are running it. I've met them. I understand that their facilities are incredible, but I would expect that.
If you wish to become a leader in industry, you must act with vision and creativity. At Ingersoll, we are quick to respond to our customers' needs with an ever-growing line of new product designs for maximum productivity. It all begins with research and development. At Ingersoll, our engineers are designing the most advanced cutting tools in the metalworking industry. As the original inventor of the on-edge insert, Ingersoll created VMAX, a breakthrough in high positive tangential machining, followed by the renowned SMAX. With its latest sensation, the Goldmax 6, and the Goldmax 8, Ingersoll has revolutionized 90-degree milling. Quadrill evolved into a new insert that fully exploits all four uniquely shaped cutting corners. For smaller diameters, Gold Twist with a twisted golden body and innovative drill head. Ingersoll's turning line for fast metal removal has been expanded by adding Gold Duty, the latest double-sided, double-clamped insert. Discover even more great innovations inside Ingersoll's treasure chest. Now it's time for Gold Rush, new coated CVD and PVD carbide grades with the latest surface treatment. There is no limit to the size of the job and machining capability. Ingersoll production starts with its corporate alliance for blank insert manufacture. At the Tangotech plant, inserts are pressed from quality powders, the best around, formulated to become as tough and hard as possible. Lines of automated press machines create unique insert geometries with proprietary know-how. Inserts are sintered in state-of-the-art furnaces that control every stage of the process. This process continues in Ingersoll's major production sites in the US and Germany, as rows of advanced grinding machines turn out highly polished cutting edges required in many metalworking operations. Finally, inserts are coated with the latest PVD and CVD equipment. Every insert is checked by unmanned quality inspection devices that deploy futuristic vision systems. Not a single product leaves the plant until it passes a rigorous QA check that ensures compliance with the highest quality standards. Ingersoll's tool holders and cutters are designed for optimum performance. Manufactured with the latest machine tools and automated production methods to ensure maximum quality. When we engineer solutions for our customers, we're fully involved from the outset. Our local engineers offer a timely solution, tapping into our multinational knowledge base, whatever the application or industry segment.
When we engineer a solution for our customers, we're very involved with how that tool is actually going to work for the customer. And in order to do that, our engineers are on the customer's plant floor, helping them work through the startup phases of their production and implementation of the cutting tool.
Ingersoll's direct and professional support has been pivotal in its partnership with the biggest names in international industry. In the global automotive industry, using the right tool opens up new possibilities.
Ingersoll traditionally has been a very large supplier of cutting tools to the automotive industry. We have many products that we apply for the automotive customer.
In challenging times, automotive suppliers seek to drive down costs. As a result, they rely more and more on their valued partners, like Ingersoll, with its superior cutting tools combined with an unrivaled technical support. The automotive giants have made their choice. Whether it's building ships, trains, or any other large production project, Ingersoll is the ideal partner, offering a range of services from design, process engineering, and technical support, always to the highest standards. When the going gets tough, Ingersoll tools get going, making a big difference in heavy industry. Ingersoll cutting tools are also found where the machines themselves are made. Here, quality makes quality. The aerospace industry deserves only the best. Precision, quality, and the know-how to produce difficult parts from exotic materials. In fact, lives depend on it. Ingersoll has an array of tooling solutions well suited to aerospace applications. Ingersoll's vast engineering experience, accumulated in every field, in every industry, and in every corner of the world, has paved the way for the development of new groundbreaking tools, which streamline production processes, shorten machining time, and reduce costs for every customer in the world of general engineering. Ingersoll plays a considerable role in the die casting industry. Dies that produce the plastic and metal parts, found in cellular phones, flat screens, dashboards, and an endless list of other consumer and industrial items. The ability to create precise tools for a delicate work process is the name of the game in this industry. In the power generation industry, Ingersoll has solutions for a variety of complex tasks, such as gear machining. Ingersoll tools are creating massive turbines for conventional and alternative energy. When it's all said and done, it's all about people. Ingersoll people. Driven by new ideas, the exhilaration to create faster and better machining solutions, to provide an uncompromising service to customers, no matter whom they are or where they might be.
We invested in the latest equipment and the latest machinery to enable us to produce those innovative products. But the biggest asset of the company is the people. Without the people, there's no way we can produce those innovative products and making Ingersoll as one of the leading companies in the metal removal industry.
Our mission is ongoing. The journey is tough, but we're up to it. Ingersoll, meeting the challenges ahead.